You guys, Father's Day is coming. Do you have any idea what to get for your dad? Well, I have gift ideas for you, and I've narrowed it down to two kinds of dads. You've got your work all the time to maintain the yard dad, and you've got the just wants to sit home and watch the birds dad out of his picture window. So those are the two types of gifts that I'm gonna give you today. One is a gift basket full of items for your dad, who's the work in the yard dad. We all know this dad. He needs gloves. He needs some bulbs. I love this timer. You guys, having a timer for your garden or for your hose makes life so much easier, especially if you're gonna go on vacation or you're gonna go away for the day. That way you know that through a drought or anything, you're not gonna forget to water the plants, which is, it's a money saver, honestly, overall. Also, some of this stuff is nostalgic for me, which is why I chose it. I used to use one of these as a kid to water my plants, so I just love the nostalgia of it, and I think your dad will too. The other nostalgic thing for me is the scatter box. This is always how we used to spread fertilizer. We never had a big fertilizer spreader as a kid, and my dad would put an attachment. It was a cut-off 2-liter bottle on the top, and then we would pour our fertilizer or whatever in there, and that's how we would fertilize the yard. So this is a scatter box with this is actually water soluble, kind of like a Miracle Grow type situation. So you wouldn't use it in this, but I just loved it as an overall package for dad because I think he would use every bit of this as if he's one of the guys who loves to garden and just like tinker around in the yard. Okay, and then the other one is of course the just wants to watch the birds from his recliner dad, which is totally fine. What I love is this bird feeder. There's of course 1,000,000,001 bird feeders out there, but you guys have probably seen this type before. It's the type that you fill up with your bird seed, and then when the squirrel jumps on it, it closes, so you're not feeding the squirrels, because you guys know that squirrels will eat all your food and it will scatter it all over the ground, and then no one will eat it, and it's a waste of money. We like to save you money. So this is the perfect bird feeder for dad if he, like, the squirrels drive him nuts and he needs an alternative. And then of course you want to fill it with some really good quality bird seed as well. So depending on the type of dad that you have, you guys come out and check out what they have available for him, that you just pick it up and wrap it up and send it straight to dad, and he's gonna love it.